Good day! We'll be learning about typing in this computer class. We'll be using TypeMaster. First, open your Gmail and look for a new account and sign in to ACE Connect with the details in that email. So when you sign in with your Gmail, make sure you enter at the end at thesaltca.com, not at salt.com, not at saltca, not salt and lime. You might be asked to do second verification, and if it was prompted, then just click yes, it's me. So when you're going to your Gmail account again, search new account, or you can search with admin user, and you'll find the details of your username and your password. So you'll find your username there and your password. This is only a temporary password. You will have to create a new password later on. And in creating a new password, you must have at least 8 characters. But for now, you need to copy that password and you log in at their platform, ACE Connect, just by clicking that site. Then you paste your old password and create a new password. In the 8 characters, you need at least 1 special character, at least 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter, and a number. You have to remember this password. If you forgot your password, you can click forgot your username and email, and you have to repeat the process again. Once you're in the dashboard, you just click the sidebar beside the ePace logo, and you will be prompted to see Readmaster and TypeMaster. So go ahead and click TypeMaster, and you'll see something like this. Maybe it's a blank at first, but you need to start new lesson to start working on the first lesson. And that's it. You can continue, click start, and just follow the instructions. If you're asked to repeat the lesson, don't worry. It's a repetitive mastery lesson. So you have to repeat it at least about 3 times. And then depends on your accuracy. If your accuracy is high enough, then you can proceed to the next lesson. But if it's still no, then you have to repeat the lesson again. So it just needs patience and correct answers. So you can see the results once it's finished. So when you're done with the lesson, just click finished. And that's it. Don't forget to take a screenshot and attach it in the Google Classroom so I can grade it. Here are some ways that you can take a screenshot. Most of you are using the Windows computer, so we'll be using those keyboard shortcuts. So you hold the Windows button and click print screen. Then it will be saved somewhere in your files, maybe in your pictures or in your downloads. Now let's review our keyboard typing positions. But first you need to remember the name of your fingers. You have your thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger, which is the pinky. So this is the important one, the home row. This is where you put the 4 fingers on each of your hand. So remember that this is your home row or your home position. Make sure your fingers are relaxed and curved. If it's strained, you might hurt your hand in the long run. are some typing tips. When you sit down, remember to sit up straight so you don't hurt your back. And the hand posture should just be natural. Not too close, not too far, just right.